Hey everyone, this is Sugar Coder. For the longest time, I was on a quest searching for the perfect powder sugar sifter. And here it is. I bought this awesome and huge sifter, and then I used a Folgers coffee lid to cover it. Previously, I used a strainer to sift the powder sugar, and you can imagine it's not exactly the easiest way to sift powder sugar. I put the links in the video description on where to get it. This sifter is so huge, you can sift about 5 to 6 cups of powder sugar at once. However, I don't recommend it because after 3 cups of powder sugar, the sifter can get kind of heavy. The only thing I would add to this sifter is some sort of soft material around the handle, and that's it. This sifter is wonderful. Seriously guys, I definitely recommend you to invest in one, especially if you sift a lot of powder sugar for buttercream frosting, royal icing, or any recipe that uses a lot of powder sugar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thank you so much for watching.